Welcome. This is Safubafu's free poultry farm consultation. It does not matter whether you are educated or you are not educated, you can still start your own poultry farm successfully. Many people want to start their own poultry farming, but their dream is so big to the extent that they don't know where to start from. It is good to dream big, but it is also very, very important to start small. It is true that you may have the big capital and you may have done all the researches, but all these researches are theory. Objects in mirror are closer than they appear. Theory is different from reality. This should be a safety warning to all new poultry farmers. I had a big dream like you, but I started off with simple one structure and now I have two structures, and gradually I'm going to add more structures, and if God willing 2022 2023 I'm going to add different model of business to it. So my advice to you is that you have to start small and expand gradually. If you are a Spain or Italy burger, you can start with 1,000 birds. And if you are France, Germany or UK burger too, you can start with 2,000 birds. And if you are Canada or USA burger, you can start maximum 3,000 birds as a beginner. And if you are a Ghana burger, you can start with 500. And if you are Kuwait, Saudi Arabia and all those Saudi side or that Arab country too, you can start with between 600 and 700 beds. If you start small, you are going to gain experience more than watching it on TV or watching it on YouTube or watching it on your phone. After facing the reality, it is there that you can re-strategize and regroup your plan and then go into full big scale. It is only few businesses that start yielding profit from the first day or from the first month or from the first year. Poultry farming may start yielding profit from 6 months going or 8 months going or 1 year going or 3 years going, depending on the challenges you may face. If anything can go wrong, it will. Please never ever take loan to start a poultry farm business. It is risky. It is only good and advisable to take loan to expand your poultry farm after gaining some experience. After gaining rare practical experience in the egg production, egg marketing, feeding, medication, etc. Never put all your eggs into one basket. If you do put all your eggs into one basket, then you need to add Nescafe and energy drink together and drink it so that you can stay all night long. If you cannot do that, then you need to diversify your investment after being successful in your poultry farming business. After being successful in my poultry farming, fish farming is my next business target in 2022 and 2023. In the few weeks to come, I would be updating you on how to start your own fish farming. Success is a gradual process and somehow a little bit hard. If somebody promises you that you can be successful within a short possible days without suffering, it is either the person is a thief or a liar. Anybody who thinks he can enrich him or herself by deceiving others would soon realize that he or she is deceiving him or herself. The trees we see in the forest did not use 5 days to become trees. They went through a gradual process before they became unbreakable timbers. Easy come, easy go. Money that comes easily disappears quickly. Be patient on yourself while still working on your dreams. Things take time to materialize. Thank you for watching Safubafu's TV. Please, if today is your first time, subscribe, like, and comment. I promise you that we all shall be successful together. There may be temptations on your way, but never lose focus on your dream.